Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Massive Kushi, and you can see I'm all glammed up, my hair looking very wet and drowsy, and my makeup is looking so glam and sultry. So you know what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna teach you this look which is so effortlessly gorgeous, and you can change the hair if you want to, but I just love how it looks. It looks so glam, like a red carpet makeup look, and it's all red today. So if you want to know more about this look, please continue watching the video. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more fun videos, challenges, and a lot more knowledge. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna mention my Instagram handle right on the top. So without any further ado, let's get started. This is the canvas that we are working with, and some acne scars, some pigmentation, dark circles. And we're gonna conceal at first and then gonna move towards our eye makeup. So firstly, I'm gonna go in with my base. So we're gonna use a darker shade of foundation, and for that I'm using my Migrant Treat Care and Love foundation. I'm going to apply it directly on my face because it is a darker shade, so it will also conceal my problematic areas and also will give us a very tan look. This foundation is so creamy and just blends like a dream. So if you really want to invest in this, it is an amazing buy. I'm going to take the same on my eyelids, around my eyes, and everywhere on my face. One pro tip, if you don't have a concealer, apply a foundation and let it set for a good 1 to 2 minutes, and it will give you a very high coverage. Let's blend our under eyes. Very light-handedly, don't overblend. You can see my eyes are completely concealed, and whatever is remaining on my hand, I'm just going to take it on the area where I have some acne scars. My base is all done. I'm not gonna do anything more. I'm gonna move towards my blush now. For that, I'm using this cream blush by Just Herbs, and I'm just gonna use my finger to pick it up, and I'm gonna pat and blend. So before setting a base, I'm just gonna bronze up my face using a bronzer because it will just blend in into my foundation and give us a very seamless look. So I'm picking this brown shade right here on a fluffy brush, dusting the excess, and firstly I'm gonna pat on the contours of my face. You can also pout a little bit to just make it very prominent. I'm gonna take some on my jawline. I am also gonna contour my collarbones. I'm gonna apply a little bit below it. Always pull up your shoulder so that it will get prominent and you know where to place your product. A little bit on the top of it, the halo where you can feel this portion. Now just contour it. Now I'm going to move towards setting my face, and for that I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Compact. I'm picking it on my sponge only and just gonna firstly pat it under my eyes. Little bit around my mouth. Face is all done, but I'm gonna apply some powder blush to intensify my cheek area. I'm just gonna take it towards my temple. So our base is all done. I'm going to move towards my eyes, but the main hero of this look is our lips. So we're going to keep our eye very neutral and very easy. Picking this chocolatey brown shade on a very fluffy brush. Just gonna dust it all on my eyelid. Now I'm going to take a kohl and just gonna tightline my lash line. I'm also applying it a little bit on my lash line. I'm now using a flat brush to just smudge a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with curling my lashes. Now I'm going to apply some mascara, and I've just bought my mother's makeup kit. So I'm going to use a new product today. It's by Sugar Pop. Apply a nude coat to my lower lash line. I'm just going to apply a very light layer, not something very dramatic. You can stop right here, but I'm going to apply some false lashes to make it look more dramatic. So I'm going to use these one. These are magnetic lashes by Sugar. It's their new launch and they're so beautiful. It comes with a liner as well and it's a magnetic liner. So I'm going to show you how I apply this. Firstly, I'm going to take the liner and apply a very precise line. And now I'm going to take the lashes and just gonna place it on the lash line. My lashes are all set and it's very easy to apply. Now I'm going to move towards filling my brows and I don't have a fancy product for that today. So I'm just going to pick the same shade we used for our eyeshadow on a very small brush and just going to apply it on my eyebrows. Now I'm going to highlight my face and I'm going to use this highlighter and just going to apply on the high points of my face. So let's move toward the star of the show, which is our lipstick, and I'm going to use these three lipstick and try to make a very bold color. The one is by Benora and the other two are by Sugar. Firstly, taking a very browny color to just outline my lips. I just changed my mind. I'm going to use this one. This is also by Sugar and just going to fill my lips. So creamy. And now to finish the look, I'm going to use this Benora lipstick. It's a good maroon shade and it will tie the whole look together. Just see. And that's a final makeup look. I'm quickly going to do my hair and I'll be right back. And so with that, we come to an end and that was all for the video and I hope you liked the video. And if you do so, don't forget to hit the like button, share with the friends and family and follow me on Instagram. I'm going to mention my Instagram handle right on the top and subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time.